Now let's talk about how to change mode on the Apple Watch. So there are a few things which you might mean by changing the mode, and there are like different modes of the Apple Watch. For example, we have the low power mode, and this can be accessed through the control center. So tap on the side button on your Apple Watch. The control center is gonna pop up, and there you can turn on or off the low power mode. Right? There are also different modes. For example, there is the do not disturb mode or different kinds of focus modes. These can similarly be controlled through the control center, and there you can turn it off or on. You can also just customize it a bit more in the settings and on the iPhone as well. So these are the modes which you might have in mind. Also, there are some modes when it comes to the look of the Apple Watch. Obviously, you can change any of these settings which are available when it comes to the watch faces, right? So you can change it to a fitness looking one where you have the ability to change or turn on the workout mode, right? So you can start a workout, and this might count as, the different mode which you want to change and switch to. So yeah, go ahead and let me know down below in the comments what kind of mode you are referring to and what exactly you want to achieve. And perhaps I might be able to make like a little bit more tailored video for that. But for now, that is going to be about it from me. I honestly hope you enjoyed this video. For more content and videos like this one, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.